Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah, for that we will need the buttons for. So the side button and the volume up button. If you press these both buttons now for short together, you will have a screenshot. After you have also the chance to edit the screenshot by just tapping on the preview, and you can maybe crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website. And if you choose here later a pen, you can also draw something here inside or highlight something as you want. No? After you can share this edited part here, or you can just go on done to save it to the photos. In the purple photos, where are your screenshots? Of course, you have the photos. And here at the library, they're mixed up with your photos and videos you have done from the camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because a bit below here you will find an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.